Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to zoom in on a part of a clip in Premiere Pro. Once you already have your video clip on the timeline, double click on the preview screen right here and you should be able to see a blue circle that will appear, and that is the anchor point. Now you can move this anchor point to where you want the zoom effect to go towards to, so I'm just going to put it right here. And once you have done that, let's go to Effect Controls and click on the stopwatch beside the scale option. After that, let's move ahead a few seconds by using the timeline slider, and let's increase the scale to 120, and that should create a keyframe. Once you play that, it should zoom in like that to where you put your anchor point to. You can also increase the scale to however you like, just like that, and it will zoom in and create a zoom in effect like that. You can also then increase or decrease the speed of the zooming in by moving the keyframes closer or further to each other. And that is how you can basically zoom in on part of a clip in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.